The moment supply chains stop, most people realize too late their kitchens were never prepared. In the first 72 hours, food disappears faster than fuel, water, or even electricity. But surviving 30 days is not about buying more food, it's about buying the right food. Most beginners make one critical mistake that quietly guarantees failure. They store food that feels comforting, not food that actually sustains life. Your body needs roughly 2,000 calories per day, meaning 60,000 calories for 30 days. And those calories must come from foods that last, not foods that spoil in a week. Rice is one of the most efficient survival foods ever discovered. 1 kilogram of rice delivers over 3,500 calories and can last for years if stored properly. But rice alone is not enough because survival is not just calories, it is balance. Your body also needs protein, or muscle loss begins within days. Canned beans and lentils provide protein and last up to 5 years on a shelf. Peanut butter is another hidden survival weapon, dense, compact, and full of energy. Just one jar contains nearly 3,000 calories in a space smaller than your hand. Here's where most people underestimate the real problem: vitamins. Without micronutrients, your body weakens even if you have enough calories. This is why canned vegetables and dried fruits are not optional, they are essential. Salt may seem simple, but without it, your body cannot function properly. Sugar is not just comfort, it is quick energy when your body starts to fail. Oil becomes one of the most valuable items because fat holds the highest energy per gram. 1 liter of oil contains over 8,000 calories, more than almost any other food. But food alone is not enough because without water, none of this matters. The human body can survive weeks without food, but only 3 days without water. That means at least 3 liters of water per person per day must be stored. Over 30 days, that becomes 90 liters per person, more than most people expect. And here comes the final mistake that ruins everything. People store food they don't know how to cook without electricity. In a real emergency, simplicity is survival, not complexity. The best survival plan is not the biggest stockpile, but the smartest one. Because when everything stops, preparation becomes the difference between panic and control.